What is up, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you are tired of paying tree services a fortune or struggling with overgrown branches that are way too high to reach, you are in the right place. Today, we are breaking down the top 5 best pole saws for trimming and pruning to save your back, your time, and your yard. Whether you need a budget-friendly option or a gas-powered beast, we have got you covered. Before we dive in, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you never miss a review. All the buy links for these products are in the description below. Let's get into it. Starting at number 1, the Worx WG34920V 8-inch power share pole saw is our pick for the absolute best bang for your buck. If you have a small to mid-size yard and don't need the heavy-duty brawn of a gas saw, this cordless wonder is for you. It packs enough power to trim branches up to 6.5 inches in diameter and telescopes out to give you a solid 13-foot working height. Weighing in at just 8 pounds, it features an automatic chain tensioner and a lube system that make maintenance a breeze. What really sets this tool apart is the 3-position head, allowing you to adjust between 0, 15, or 30 degrees to easily attack those awkward, hard-to-reach branches. During testing, it felt lightweight but delivered surprising power from the 20-volt battery, cutting through everything we threw at it with ease. For occasional use, this tool just makes a whole lot of sense. Moving on to number 2, we have the DeWalt 20V Max XR cordless pole saw kit, which takes the crown for the best battery-powered option. DeWalt revolutionized the cordless tool industry, and they have brought that same innovation to the outdoors. This kit comes with an efficient brushless motor and an 8-inch bar, allowing you to remove branches up to 15 feet from the ground. With the included 4Ah battery, you can power through as many as 96 cuts on a single charge. We love the 3-foot extension segment that gives you the flexibility of a 9 or 12-foot configuration. The angled bar and inline motor are genius. They allow the chain to engage branches for level top-down cuts, which prevents the bar from getting pinched. The design is incredibly well balanced, minimizing bulkiness and making it easy to handle at full extension. The only minor complaint was a slight wobble in the pole joints, but it never affected the performance or electrical connection. Number 3 is the Echo X Series PPT 2620 Power Pruner, and this is hands down the best gas-powered pole saw on the market. For those tackling frequent, heavy-duty extended use, gas is the way to go. This beast features a telescoping pole with a 12-inch bar that easily removes large branches up to 15 feet high. It is powered by a commercial-grade 25.4 cubic centimeters engine that offers less vibration, more horsepower, and better fuel efficiency than its competitors. In our tests, it started on the second pull every single time, which is incredibly reliable. The pole and cutting bar felt rock solid and secure with zero slippage, and the chain moved smoothly through the wood. While the included shoulder strap helps, there is no denying that this 17-pound saw requires more strength and endurance from the operator. We absolutely loved using it for big branch removal, but we were equally happy to set it down when the job was done. At number 4, we have the Greenworks 40V 8-inch cordless pole saw and trimmer, which is our pick for the best light-duty option. With a powerful 40V battery system, this saw offers top-notch cutting capability in a lightweight, easy-handling package. Weighing just 9.3 pounds, it features reduced vibration technology and a simple push-button start that makes gas pull cords a thing of the past. The telescoping bar gives you a nearly 9-foot working height, and the 8-inch bar cuts through branches up to 6 inches in diameter. What is really cool is that it is available as a multi-tool kit with a hedge trimmer attachment, so you can save space in your garage using the same power head. The 40V battery provides plenty of torque to slice through hardened dead branches, and the angled bar makes it safer and easier to cut downward when you are standing back from the line of fall. Finally, at number 5, the Husqvarna 338 Combi Switch Plus pole saw is the best attachment-capable system we have tested. This setup is ideal for residential properties where saving space and cutting costs is a priority. It boasts a powerful brushless motor powered by a long-lasting 36V battery. When assembled, it measures just over 8 feet and gives you a reach of approximately 12 feet. At 13 pounds, it is one of the heavier saws, but the included shoulder strap makes it very manageable. The standout characteristic here is the buttery smooth cutting action. Husqvarna's proprietary saw chain makes faster, cleaner cuts with significantly less vibration than cheaper models. If anything was lacking, it was just the reach. We wish it came with the optional extension pole to compete with the heavy-duty models. But for general tree and shrub care, this thing is an absolute pleasure to use. And there you have it, the top 5 best pole saws to tackle your pruning and trimming projects this season. Whether you are looking for the budget-friendly Worx, the battery power of DeWalt, the gas might of Echo, the light-duty Greenworks, or the versatile Husqvarna, we have got you covered. Make sure to check the description below for the latest prices and buy links for all these products. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow gardeners, and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.